In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply cut a part of YouTube video and make a short. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up YouTube application and then open up some video that you want to use, and from here just tap at that button where it says create, and then you can tap on cut to cut a 5-second part of that video. You can drag it left or right to select the part that you want. You can also use that playback marker to move around all your video and then select some specific part. Next, all you have to do is tap on next, and from here now you are able to record a video up to 15 seconds, or if you tap here up to 60 seconds, you can just tap here at record button to record like video answer on that video. And after that you can just tap here at check mark, then you can add some text here or filters, then tap on next. And now you can add here a caption to your short video, and then just tap here at upload short to upload this video and publish it to your channel. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.